The continues to stand out in 2026 as a modern electric auto rickshaw designed to meet the evolving needs of urban and semi-urban transportation. It reflects S push toward clean mobility with a focus on affordability, efficiency, and practicality for daily commercial use. The design of the 2026 model remains compact yet functional, making it ideal for navigating crowded streets. Its simple yet contemporary styling includes improved body panels, better finishing, and durable materials that can withstand heavy usage over time. The cabin is thoughtfully designed to maximize passenger space without compromising driver comfort. One of the biggest highlights is its electric powertrain, which eliminates the need for petrol or CNG. The Treo is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack that delivers a smooth and silent driving experience. This not only reduces operating costs but also makes it environmentally friendly compared to traditional rickshaws. Performance-wise, the Treo offers steady acceleration suitable for city driving. It is not built for high speeds but performs efficiently in stop-and-go traffic conditions. The improved motor tuning in the 2026 version ensures better pickup even with a full passenger load. The range of the Treo is another strong advantage. On a full charge, it can cover a substantial distance, making it suitable for a full day of operations in most urban settings. Charging is convenient, with options for standard home charging as well as faster charging solutions depending on availability. Inside the cabin, the Treo offers practical features such as a digital instrument cluster, comfortable seating, and adequate legroom for passengers. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue during long working hours, which is crucial for commercial drivers. Safety has also been improved in the latest model. The Treo includes better braking systems, a strong chassis, and improved stability compared to older auto rickshaws. These features contribute to a safer ride for both driver and passengers. Maintenance is one of the key benefits of owning an electric rickshaw like the Treo. With fewer moving parts compared to internal combustion vehicles, servicing requirements are lower. This results in reduced downtime and higher profitability for operators. The cost efficiency of the Treo makes it a popular choice among small business owners and drivers. While the initial investment may be higher than traditional rickshaws, the savings on fuel and maintenance quickly offset the cost over time. Another advantage is its contribution to reducing urban pollution. As cities continue to focus on cleaner transportation solutions, vehicles like the Treo play a vital role in lowering emissions and improving air quality. The ride quality of the 2026 model has seen improvements with better suspension tuning. It handles uneven roads more effectively, providing a smoother experience for passengers even in challenging road conditions. Overall, the Mahindra Treo 2026 remains a reliable, economical, and eco-friendly choice in the electric auto rickshaw segment. It successfully combines modern technology with practical design, making it an ideal vehicle for the future of urban mobility.